Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your Android version and which keyboard app you use, because the approach depends on that. Open Settings now and navigate to System or General Management to find Language and Input. This reveals installed keyboards. If you need a different emoji style, install a keyboard or emoji app from Play Store and grant required permissions. Once the new keyboard is installed, enable it in Input Methods and set it as default so you can immediately test emoji changes. Now change the active keyboard or choose an emoji pack inside the keyboard app. Go to Settings right arrow Languages and input right arrow default keyboard and pick the new keyboard. Open that keyboard's app settings to locate emoji style, theme, or emoji variant options. Choose the set you prefer. If you use third-party emoji apps or font packs, import them per the app instructions and enable them. Some require a restart or relaunch of the keyboard for changes to appear, so make sure to test in a messaging app. Finish by testing emojis in multiple apps to ensure consistency. Messaging apps can render emojis differently, so check WhatsApp, Messenger, and SMS. If the new emoji set doesn't appear, restart your device first, then clear the keyboard app cache or data via Settings right arrow apps right arrow keyboard right arrow storage. Reinstall the keyboard or emoji app if problems continue. One key troubleshooting tip: if system-level emoji are unchanged, an OS update or root-level modification may be required. Avoid risky mods unless you understand the consequences.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.